For the hard connection setup, the quick connector is already pre-installed on the swivel arm balancer. The cable clamp is provided separately in the package. To begin the installation, securely mount the swivel arm balancer onto the EV charging station. Next, unscrew and remove the metal connector from the quick connection. Then, put the charging cable into the cable clamp. Make sure the screws are tightened firmly to keep the clamp secure. Finally, attach the assembled cable clamp to the swivel arm balancer. Lastly, secure all screws. Installation complete.